Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a supported carrier, an iPhone with recent iOS, and a working Wi-Fi network. Once those are ready, act now. Open Settings and tap Phone to start. Make sure Cellular is on so the option appears. If prompted, sign into your Apple ID. Next, choose Wi-Fi Calling on this iPhone and flip it on. You may see a dialog about emergency address. Enter your location for 911 to route correctly. This completes the initial enablement and moves you into configuration. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, make sure your emergency address is accurate. This is essential for emergency services. Next, set preference if your carrier offers it. Choose Wi-Fi first when available to avoid cellular charges, or leave cellular preferred if you want automatic fallback. Then, verify the Wi-Fi network quality. Switch to a less congested band like 5 GHz or move closer to the router for lower latency. Finally, restart your iPhone so settings propagate and your carrier registers the device for Wi-Fi calling. Now place a short test call to confirm call quality and whether the phone uses Wi-Fi rather than cellular. Listen for latency, dropouts, and caller ID. If you experience problems, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, reboot your router, and restart the iPhone. These simple steps often fix registration or routing errors. Make sure iOS and carrier settings updates are installed. If the phone still won't register for Wi-Fi calling, contact your carrier. They can verify provisioning or reset service on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.